What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as the D365 Geek, and today we're talking about Power Automate and the OneNote for Business connector, and we're going to look at the action which is delete a page. So in the last video we watched how to create a page through Power Automate. This action is the reverse of that. We can pass in details of a page to be deleted and it'll automatically delete that page. So let's take a look at it. I'm in Power Automate. I have a manual trigger here and click on New Step. I can go to OneNote, search that, find the right connector, and then scroll down until I find delete a page preview. So this is a preview action, it's not fully released. This is like version 1, there's no like version 2 or anything of it, but it is to be used with a pinch of caution. There is still a preview feature and some features may change or like not be there in the final version. So we need to pass in 3 parameters. We need to pass in the notebook key, the notebook section, and then the page ID. So the notebook key is the actual notebook that we want to locate in the first instance. So if I click the drop down, I do have 3 options here. These are all the OneNotes that I have access to. The MCJ one is the one we're going to use for testing today. Next, we need to Next, we need to choose the notebook section. So this is the section inside the OneNote notebook. So if I click this, because I've chosen this MCJ notebook, it's going to load up all the sections that I have inside that notebook. So I'm going to choose flow section 1 in this instance, and then it's going to load a list of page IDs. So I can click on page ID and I can choose this one here. So this is the one we want to delete. We know this just says page we want to delete. If I switch over to my notebook, we can see this was the page that I created in my last video, and I've just given it a title of page we want to delete. And this is what we're going to delete this page. So we're back to Power Automate and we'll click on test. So click test, I'll perform a trigger action, we'll save and test. And we'll wait for Power Automate for a second. Click run flow, click done. Flow's now run. And it ran successfully, yay! So that should delete the page. If we go back to my notebook, it'll probably, yeah, it's all gone. You can't see it there anymore. So that's how you use this action. Now, the one thing that I thought was interesting with this is that unlike other actions, I don't actually have the ability to pass in a custom value. So I'm not sure whether just my flow design has changed or whether this isn't available in these actions, but I don't actually have an option to pass in a custom value. So I can't see a way to programmatically find the right page and then delete it from like searching or doing something else. But if you know if things have changed recently, if you've used this action in the past, or if this is just the way it works, then it's just the way it works. I just found it a little bit odd when I was testing this that it doesn't give me that custom action or custom item that I'm used to in a lot of flow actions. So let me know down below in the comments what you think, if this is something that you know about, if it's not something you know about, or if you do use this action, let me know. I want to know how you use it. If you enjoyed this video, if you could like it and share it with your friends, that would be appreciated. If you've not already, click the subscribe button and stay up to date with all my latest videos, and I'll see you next time.